Look at that beautiful root system. Absolutely beautiful. Now we know that this is ready to pot up because we not only have our seedling leaves, but we also have several true leaves. Potting up is going to give this plant more room to grow. It's going to ensure that we have a nice strong stem and lots of healthy roots. When you don't pot up, you do end up with smaller plants and usually stunted growth. I'm going to put a little bit of soil down in there. Put our plant in. Don't forget to add your garden marker, give it some water, and place it under your grow lights.